Welcome back, everyone. So, one toe in, we booted. The other toe in, committed to fixing the car. They tried to get the job done without the AC compressor. I said, your car's not going to run without a new starter or without the AC compressor. I can't just, well, I could just put an AC compressor in there and send them on their way. But if you're gonna go that far, you might as well fix the rest of the system. But they tried. So this one needed, compressor was seized, the starter was bad, because once I got the car running, I turned it around so I wasn't out roasting with my back to the sun. So I got the starter in, got it running, brought it in so I can stay out of the heat. This line here was already leaking. It's leaking worse up top, very common. The AC compressor is seized. Can't even turn this by hand. All right, so hopefully it's seized here and not inside of there. So what happens is when you have a leak and you continue to drive it with a leak, that fluid inside of there starts to leak. Its oil's out. On top of that, the compressor is just going to start deteriorating itself, or it just seized on the clutch bearing on the outer. I'm not really sure, but refrigerant is a lubricant. So what are we doing? So we're doing an oil change, we're doing the air filter, we're doing the cabin air filter, we are replacing the high pressure line to the condenser, replacing the condenser. I had the compressor, I thought I had it all unbolted, maybe I'm missing a bolt. No, it's just stuck. Let me give it a little love tap, see if it'll come free. And then the other customer with the wheel that fell off doesn't want to put a new wheel on. So hold on for a second. Multitasking constantly. Are you still there? Oh yeah. All right, so the compressor's on the ground. So the other customer, 3 holes in the wheels are good, and the 2 others are so elongated. I didn't feel comfortable enough because I do have integrity, right? And I want to do a good job and a safe job. I said, well, listen, here's your alternative. I'll put 5 new studs in it, and you can come over here and put 5 lug nuts on it and tighten the wheel up yourself and be on your way. I don't like doing work like that, and if I feel that it's shit, it is shit. So we'll deal with that on our own. At least that relieves me the responsibility of the wheel falling off. That's it. We got Allie's car in here for some work. Ryan's finishing up another car, and we got more work to do. Thanks for watching.